Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, bit of a treat today. We're having a flaunch around the Aston Martin workshop. Maybe get to take an Aston Martin out as well, that'd be cool. So let's check it out. Right guys, we're just walking into this place now. It's actually stopped raining. Right. Look at the Lagonda. Just in case you need a spare spark plug. Like I said, today's an open day here. Right guys, behind me, look at this on the ramp, having a full restoration. This is a DB5, the one James Bond drove in his Goldfinger days. But check it out. So this is a DB5, guys, in the middle of a big resto. Look at all these. The workmanship's absolutely fantastic. As you can see under here. See how this is, guys, it's all built brand new from the ground up. This is in the middle of a build. So this is just to give you some idea what these guys do. The workshop here, everything's brand new. This is virtually, well, this is going to be a brand new car.
So, it's a bit tricky to see. If I want to talk about this window or that window,
So it would be quite simple to change over from right hand to left hand, from right hand to left hand, that's left hand to right hand. So we're in the machine part of the workshop. There's camshafts there. lathe, make all your parts on. So they do everything here. There's your machine to balance the crankshaft. It's on the dyno machine. So that'll be the control room there. Right, we've got a Vanquish on the lift. It's having a new gearbox replacement. As you can see, the gearbox has been removed. Apparently it's £27,000 to have a gearbox replacement in this to a manual. And that's what this car's in for at the moment. Vanquish S, I'll show you the gearbox. So there's the gearbox, guys. There's the new clutch to go in. As you can see, they make this into a stick shift manual. You know, that's hydraulic as well, isn't it? Yeah, they've got everything's at hand. So that gearbox is going in that car, the Vanquish S. Right, check this out, guys. What a beast. Aston Martin Lagonda. It's even got air horns in it. It's an absolute beast, left-hand drive. Right guys, we've got Lucas here and he's going to tell us a bit more on this car he's on with at the moment. So here we go.
Hello, I'm Lucas and this is a Aston Martin DBS 1968. It's coming for a respray. I'm not sure if it'll say brown yet, it'll go a different colour, so we've just started on the back of it. So it's the filler work happening now, then it'll go next door into the paint shop, go into primer and get painted. So that's about it.
So is it all gone down to bare metal?
No, it's not going to bare metal, this one. But it's going down to, basically down to its primer everywhere. Yeah.
Right.
But it's in a really good condition, to be fair to it.
And here we go with the transportation. Wouldn't mind that job actually, dropping the cars off. Check this out guys, it's absolutely stunningly beautiful out here. this location. It's absolutely stunningly beautiful. Check this out, guys and girls. They're just works of art. They're not particularly fast. They're just stunningly beautiful. They like this environment. Look at it. Well guys, I'm going out in the Aston Martin for a test drive. Check this out. Check this out, guys. Test drive. Right, guys.
Pressure warning lights on.
Oh, okay. Well, there we are. I've been joined by Alex. Works here. Say hi, Alex.
Hello, how are you doing?
Oh my God, what can I say? The Aston Martin Vantage. What an amazing car to drive with the flappy paddles anyway. Not too keen on the sports gearbox when it's just in normal drive. It seems like it wants to go, oh, every time it changes gear. It's a bit weird. But apparently you just get used to it. I would never have it in that thing. I'd just have it in flappy paddle mode. It's incredible. It sounds incredible. It's probably one of the best cars I've ever driven. But yeah, so thanks to Alex for letting me out in the beast. What a monster. Right, on that note, seeds are bubbling.